I have been thinking about a home NAS server for a long time, but buying a full-fledged NAS, for example Synology or NAP, and disks for it is too expensive, and at the same time my needs for a home NAS would literally use 10% of its capabilities. Actually, about my needs, there are only three of them. First, I need network folders to store various media files and the ability to run them on the TV. Of course, I can create and share such folders on my laptop, but I don't want to take up space on the laptop's disks. Second, a torrent client that does not depend on the laptop. Third, low price. And now the time has come to replace my home router, and I decide to make a simple NAS based on it. I choose the Asus RT AX82U router. In terms of price-quality parameters, it seemed to me the best choice. Availability of USB 3 port for connecting a flash drive, Wi-Fi 6 support, and reasonable price. After connecting the storage to the router, you need to go to the control panel of the router. After logging in, we see our connected storage, and the first thing we need to do is format it. Click on the USB icon, we see basic information, can disable storage, and can change the USB mode. Go to the Format tab, here we select the file system, I select NTFS, we also set disk label, I will write verbatim, and press the Format button. Once formatting is complete, return to the Information tab and click the Apply button and wait while router updates settings. After applying the settings, go to the USB application section, Service Center, go to the Network place. And in this section we make the necessary configuration settings. First of all, I will enable guest access, so when connecting via the network there is no need to enter username and password each time. Next, we set the name. I will set Home Cloud. You can also specify the maximum number of connections, but I will probably leave it as it is. Click Apply and wait for our settings to be applied. Okay, the settings applied. Let's check if everything works out. We go to the network. Here I see my router. Go into it, and we see our storage. Now I can create folders for storing data or upload files directly to the root. Go to the USB application section, click Download Master, select our storage, and now wait for the necessary software to be installed. When I make this video, I connected an external HDD to the router, which I had for quite a long time. But later I replaced it with a flash driver because I was not satisfied with the recording speed on the external HDD. Using flash drive solves this problem. After completing the installation of the necessary software, click Launch Download Master now and get into our torrent client. If you need to make any change to the settings, go to the BitTorrent tab. Here we can change the default port, set speed limits for downloading or uploading, and other settings. I will leave everything as default. Let's check if everything is working. Go back to the task section, click the Add button. We will see modal window where you can specify a torrent file or URL. Click Apply. Now we should select which files we want to download. I want to download all files, and after this I click Apply again and wait while download will complete. After the download is complete, we go to our network folder. We see that we have a new folder, download to. Go into it. Here we see completed folder. Go into it. And here we see our downloaded torrent. That's all. I've been using this system for a couple of months and I'm completely satisfied with it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.